in it. Oh! Dude, he even took my lure! What's up, guys? Eric with Hooked Off the Grid. Been a long time. Had a lot of family things going on, family events, family trips that we had planned, my son's birthday, so we've got a lot going on. This video that we're filming today, me and Thomas Griffin, I don't know if I've ever featured him in a video or not, but anyways, he will be fishing with me today, and I'm excited about this stretch. I'm excited about what I'm throwing, and I think it's gonna be a good video. I have got nothing but swim baits today. Left all the conventional tackle at home. Didn't even bring a jig, which if you guys watch my videos, I love jigs. I love top toads, things like that. But today, and we'll go over this as we're fishing, but I just want to show you real quick. We are gonna be throwing that guy, which is a Wade Hogg by Toxic, a 316 glide bait, and then this guy right here, a working class 0 Citizen purple. Let's see if I can get this back up there. So that's what we're gonna be throwing all day today, or half the day. I gotta work every Sunday till 4, so I'm gonna sit here till 4, finish keying my orders, and then we're gonna get out in the water. I'm also waiting for Thomas to stop and get me something to eat. I hadn't eaten all day, and I'm gonna sit here, wait for Thomas. Hopefully he shows up sometime soon. Freaking Thomas. Come on, man, come on. Anyways, guys, hang with me. We'll be on the water here in the next 20-30 minutes or so, and I'm hoping we get a freaking slime. All right, guys, so just to give you a quick update, we saw 3 ladies that were standing around a flat tire and decided to stop and help them. So needless to say, we're running about 10 minutes behind, so stay with us. We're getting on the water now. We're headed to the put-in. Thomas and I should be on the water shortly. Stay with me. What's up, guys? So we finally got out here on the water. We're in probably what looks like, I don't know, a foot deep. And Thomas' first cast. Check that out. He's already getting on them. And he's like, Eric, there's 3 more. We had one that ripped the tail off my swim bait already, so it's gonna be a good day, guys. We're just getting started. What's up again, guys? So I don't know if I've told y'all, it's been a minute since I've been out on the water. Freaking stoked. Out here, my boy Thomas, Texas_river_junkie. Check him out on Instagram. He's got some dope killer Instagram shots, some dope drone shots. He actually helped film for Drew's Hooked on Wild Waters, that most recent video he put out. Great dude, so be sure to check him out. We're gonna get out here and try to get on some fish, so stay with us.
You have one shot on stage, which you got to play. Generic drops for days, still the people rage. Am I not?
Okay, guys, one of the first things we're gonna start off with is this big old Wade Hogg. It's kind of like a big old crankbait. I think it sinks probably to a foot, 2 foot. I'm gonna try different stuff with it. I've never fished with it. I just got it in. So let's see what kind of action it has and what we can do with it. Stay with me. Oh my gosh.
Hit it like
Bro. That was insane. Let's go. Okay, Thomas has done it again. Dude, throwing the top toad. He ran it across some, I don't even know what it's called, just some weeds that are under the water, and
19.5.
got exploded on. Check this out, guys. 19.5. That is a tank. That's a good fish right there. I'm telling you, it's gonna be a good day today, boys.
Here comes the comes the, y'all don't really want it like, here comes the, here comes the, y'all don't really.
All right, that's ridiculous, little man. This guy. First fish on the Wade Hogg. Look at that. All right, guys. First one on the Wade Hogg. Little bitty man. Oh! Did you get him? Yeah. Oh, dude, that's a 20. Come here, you. Oh my. Oh! Dude! I just had a freaking toad. I was watching you. Oh!
That's a 20 for sure.
All right, guys, I give up. So we're gonna call this hooked off with Thomas because Thomas is already on his third freaking slaunch. Check this out. This is a monster, monster, monster. Oh yeah, slaunch. That's definitely a 21, 20, somewhere in there.
Dude, she got vampire fangs in here. That hurts.
Let's go.
Something coming out of the hill right here. That's awesome.
Oh! Nah.
Snaker?
Yeah. Whatever happened to big bait, big fish? I think that's a myth. Big bait, big fish, my butt. Look at that, guys. Big bait, big fish. I don't know about all this gibberish.
I wish.
I know, right? Woo! Ooh. Gah! Trying to show off for the camera. Ah, he spit me, guys. So I'm going. Oh! Dude, he took my lure. He's gonna splash. Look for the splash.
You think you're gonna be able to net him?
Yeah. What's that?
He's eating it. He's like, this is delicious. Is it a good one?
I don't even know, dude.
It looks like a good.
Oh! He freaking spit it!
Spit it!
Oh,
Does it float?
yes!
Oh, dude.
Oh,
Dude, did you get that on camera?
yes!
Dude.
Guys, I just had, I don't know, how big do you think he was? He didn't look that big.
It probably was a 20.
This had probably about a 20. Break me off on here. The line snapped. I don't even know how. The knot didn't break. The line just snapped. And took off with my lure. I told Thomas, I said, hold on, dude. He's going to jump. He's going to jump. Probably went on about a minute, right?
Yeah, it was a good minute or so.
He never came up. I was like, dude, he's got to spit it.
Oh, I got a good one.
Oh, man.
I got a
Thomas
good
is on a good one. Well, guys, check that out. We got the lure back and we got a good fish on. Thomas is killing it. Let's see what he's got. There we go, guys. Check that out. Thomas with a 19. That is a stud. Meanwhile, we're over here trying to get this lure tied back on. Hang with me. Oh. Oh yeah. I'm gonna let this one get away. It's like I need to get some fish in the boat. I keep losing them trying to get them on film. We were not gonna let this guy get away. Check that out, guys. Nice little chunk. He's probably 18 or 19. Find out real quick. Yes, sir. 19 and a half. Not a bad one. But we need some twins. Got him just creeping this toxic bait. Super, super slow. Look at that. That's what's up. Heck yeah, boys. Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about. These fish are coming on now. That's what I like to see. Finally figuring out a pattern with them. They like this toxic bait, but they want it creep slow and up by the surface. And I mean, it's fishing slow, or it's actually annoying me how slow I'm reeling it in. Hang with me. I think I'm gonna pull out a toad now. Oh, dude. Oh, yeah. Let him. Jump. Don't jump, please. Yes. Oh, yeah, baby. Well, guys, he ripped my tail off. Little bitty guys, probably, I don't know, 18, 19 maybe. We'll see. Guys, I cannot catch a break. Another 19 and a half. Ay, ay, ay. We need a 20. A couple of them, actually. Oh, I believe it.
Bro, you've been doing this on YouTube for
This dang reel is so slow, dude. This Conquest reel, it's a freaking beast, but man, it's slow. 5? Oh yeah. Nice little chunker. Oh, Grandpappy's catfishing reel. Look at that, guys. Little fatty. Guys, I feel like I should give you a bit of an update. I've been fishing with this, it's a Wade Hogg by Toxic Baits. Freaking awesome bait to fish with. I've caught a lot of fish on it now. I've been fishing with it for about 4 hours, and every fish has come on a slow creep up at the top where it's just waking at the top. Every single one of them. I tried burning it in all day. They wouldn't hit, and finally I'm like, I'm just gonna creep it in. It's a brand new bait for me, so like I said, I had no clue how to work it. Literally have creeped it, and it's getting smashed. Oh. I don't know, man. Heck yeah. He's probably, oh gosh. Probably 19 or so. All right, guys, we just got off the water. It was a heck of a run. Freaking Thomas took big bass with 20.
It was 21 and a half, I believe.
21 and a half. Sucker was fat, looked like a freaking 5-pounder. He took big fish and I think probably the most fish too. I finally started figuring out the bait and caught me a few as well. So had a freaking blast. Learning new baits is always tough. Lost it.
Dude, I hope you got that.
I know.
That's gonna be a good clip.
Yeah. And we got it back. So be sure to check out Thomas's Instagram page. What? Texas
you
River
can just
Junkie?
You can literally just search Texas River Junkie. Everything Texas waters.
Heck yeah, guys. So appreciate the love. Like, share, and subscribe. We'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.